Hello guys, how are you? I think you would be fine. Today we will start algebraic identities. I have covered 1 to 4 algebraic identities for class 8th. That is x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. I have derived all these 4 formulas which are on your screen. Now in class 9th there are 4 algebraic identities which you can see in the screen. Now we will try to prove one by one. We will try to derive the formula. First formula is x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Second formula is x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy in bracket x plus y. Third is x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy in bracket x minus y. And fourth is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to in bracket x plus y plus z in bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So let us prove this, let us derive these formulas one by one. So derivation of algebraic formulas. It is for class 9. So first one is x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So we will start from left hand side. We will start from this. So LHS is equal to x plus y plus z whole square. This can be written as x plus y plus z whole square. We have divided into two parts this. Now we will apply a plus b formula of a plus b whole square. Therefore here a is equal to x plus y and b is equal to z. Therefore this will be equal to this. We will first expand. We will expand. This is a and this is b. So the formula is a plus b whole square. This is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore this will be equal to a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. This will be equal to, now a plus b whole, by the formula of a plus b whole square we will expand it. This will be equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square plus 2xz plus 2yz plus z square. Now we will arrange it. This implies this is equal to x square. We have selected this. Now plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz, or zx is the same thing, 2zx. So this is equal to RHS. So we have derived this first formula. The sixth one is x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy xy x plus y. So let us derive it. So LHS is equal to x plus y whole cube. Now just see it. Suppose it is 4 cube. 4 cube can be written as 4 square into 4. In the similar manner, this can be written as x plus y whole square into x plus y. This will be equal to, now x plus y whole square will be x square plus 2xy plus y square, and here it is x plus y. Now we will multiply x plus y by this. So how we will multiply? We multiply this by this, then this by this, and then this by this. Again it will be repeated same for the y. So let us see it. X square into x will be x cube, 2xy plus 2xy into x plus y into x, plus now we will repeat the whole with y. So this will become x square y plus 2xy into y plus y into y, it is y square. Y into y square into y will be y cube. This will be equal to x cube, let us arrange, plus y cube plus 2xyz, 2x square y, here it will be 2x square y, plus y into x plus 2xy square. This will be equal to 2x square y, and x square y will become 3x square y plus y square x plus 2xy square will become 3xy square. Now we'll take common x cube plus y cube plus 3xy will take common. Here it will remain x, here it will be y. So this is equal to RHS. So we have proved algebraic identity 6 also. Prove algebraic identity 7. Here it is x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. Now this is the formula, we will derive it. LHS is equal to x minus y whole cube. This can be written as x minus y whole square into x minus y. This can be written as, now we'll expand it. This will be equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. We'll keep it in a bracket and then x minus y. This will be equal to x square into x, x cube, x square into y minus x square y. Now we'll multiply this by this and this by this. So minus 2xy into x minus 2x square y, and minus 2xy into y will become plus 2xy square. Now we will multiply this. It will be plus y square x minus y cube. So this is the formula. Let us check it once again. X square into x, x cube, x square into minus y minus x square y, minus 2xy into x minus 2x square y, minus 2xy into y into minus y, plus 2xy square, y square into x, y square x minus y cube. Correct, it is correct. Now we'll arrange it, x cube minus y cube. First we'll take this minus x square y minus 2x square y will become minus 3x square y. So here also we have done, and plus 2y square x, x square x y square we can write as y square x as commutative law holds, plus y square x. This will become x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3y square x. So we'll take common x cube minus y cube minus 3xy. If we take common, here we will get x, or here we will get minus y, is equal to RHS. So we have proved third also. फिर से ओपन करो. So we have algebraic identity 7th also. Now we will come to 8th. Now the last identity is, algebraic identity is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square, sorry, it not be bracket here, it will not be bracket here, minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now we will prove it. Now LHS is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So we will make a pair. This will be equal to these two pair, and this will keep outside. X cube plus y cube minus plus z cube minus 3xyz. This will be equal to, now we'll expand it. This will be equal to x plus y whole cube Now x cube plus y cube, we have derived here x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y whole cube minus 3xy x plus y. From this formula we have obtained the value of x cube and y cube. Now we will put this x cube plus y cube in it. Therefore this will be equal to x plus y whole cube minus 3xy x plus y plus z cube minus 3xyz. This will be equal to, now let x plus y is equal to u. So then this will be equal to u cube minus 3xyu plus z cube minus 3xyz. This will be equal to u cube plus z cube minus 3xy u plus z. This will be equal to u plus z u square minus uz plus z square minus 3xy u plus z. This will be equal to u plus z u square plus z square minus uz minus 3xy. This will be equal to x plus y plus z into x plus y whole square plus z square minus x plus y z minus 3xy. This will be equal to x plus y plus z x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Therefore x plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz will be equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So is equal to RHS. So we have proved fourth identity also. Guys, in deriving the last identity, we had missed to write 3xy. Here it should be not 3y, it should be 3xy. And here it was also not clear that it is x plus y in bracket into z. That's all. We have proved all the algebraic identities, which is we have derived all the equations which is used in class 9th. In the previous video I had derived for all the algebraic identities for class 7. Thank you guys. In my next video we'll come to some problems related to algebraic identities, that how to do factorizations with the help of algebraic identities for class 8th and up to 9th standard also. We'll try to solve some of the important questions. Thank you once again.